Long before coconut milk reaches supermarket shelves, its journey begins in these tropical regions where millions of coconuts are.
Coconut palms thrive in warm climates with abundant sunlight and rainfall, allowing them to produce large quantities of fruit throughout the year.
Each coconut requires months of growth before reaching full maturity, developing the rich meat that will eventually be used to produce coconut milk. Experienced farmers regularly inspect the plantations to identify which coconuts have reached the ideal stage for harvesting. Before harvesting starts, workers prepare specialized equipment designed to safely collect coconuts growing high above the ground.
Harvesting coconuts requires skill and experience, because the fruit often grows many meters above the ground.
Once the harvester reaches the correct position, mature coconuts are carefully separated from the tree while younger fruit remains to continue growing. Harvested coconuts are lowered or dropped into controlled collection zones where workers quickly gather them for processing.
During peak harvesting periods, thousands of coconuts can be collected from a single plantation within a single day.
The first quality check begins immediately after harvesting to ensure only healthy coconuts continue through the supply chain. Careful inspection helps maintain consistent quality and prevents unsuitable coconuts from reaching the factory. After inspection, the selected coconuts are organized into transport containers for efficient handling and shipment. Modern equipment helps transport large quantities of coconuts quickly while reducing manual labor and handling time.
Once enough coconuts have been collected, transportation vehicles arrive to begin the next stage of the journey.
Every truck carries a valuable cargo of coconuts destined for processing facilities that convert them into coconut milk. Before departure, each shipment undergoes one final quality review to ensure factory standards are maintained. With harvesting complete, the coconuts begin their journey from tropical farms toward modern industrial processing centers.
Transportation plays a critical role in preserving freshness and delivering coconuts efficiently to production facilities.
Every year, millions of coconuts travel these routes to support the growing worldwide demand for coconut-based products.
After completing their journey from the plantation, the coconuts finally arrive at the factory where their transformation into coconut milk is about to begin.
After leaving the plantations, the harvested coconuts travel long distances towards specialized processing facilities designed to transform them into coconut milk.
Efficient transportation is essential because fresh coconuts must reach the factory in excellent condition before processing begins. Each shipment contains thousands of carefully selected coconuts, harvested only days earlier from tropical plantations.
This enormous processing complex handles huge volumes of coconuts every day using advanced industrial equipment.
Before entering the facility, every shipment must pass through a series of receiving and verification procedures. The receiving process begins with shipment identification and documentation to maintain complete product traceability. Each truck is weighed to measure the exact quantity of coconuts being delivered to the factory.
Accurate weight measurements help factories monitor production capacity and manage incoming raw materials efficiently.
Factory inspectors evaluate incoming coconuts to ensure they meet strict quality and food safety standards.
Any shipment that fails quality requirements can be rejected before entering the production line. Once approved, the coconuts are unloaded and transferred into the factory's receiving system. Automated conveyor systems transport the coconuts through the factory while minimizing manual handling.
Every coconut must pass through several preparation stages before milk extraction can begin. Advanced imaging systems help identify defects that may not be visible during initial inspections.
Operators continuously monitor production data to ensure smooth operation and consistent product quality.
Sorting equipment organizes the coconuts according to size and quality to improve processing efficiency.
Removing unsuitable coconuts early helps maintain product consistency throughout the manufacturing process.
After sorting is complete, the coconuts move toward cleaning systems that prepare them for further processing.
Every stage inside the factory is carefully designed to maximize efficiency while maintaining food-grade safety standards. The coconuts have now completed their journey from the plantation, and the first major factory processing stage is about to begin.
The first processing stage focuses on cleaning every coconut thoroughly to remove dust, soil, and contaminants collected during harvesting and transportation.
High-pressure washing systems ensure that every coconut meets strict hygiene standards before entering food production areas. Once cleaning is complete, the coconuts are transferred directly to preparation systems designed for shell processing.
The thick, fibrous outer husk must now be removed to expose the hard coconut shell underneath. Automated dehusking machines process thousands of coconuts every hour while maintaining consistent results. After the husk is removed, only the hard shell containing coconut water and coconut meat remains. A second inspection confirms that the coconuts are properly prepared for the next critical stage of processing. The cracking stage opens the coconuts while protecting the valuable contents stored inside. As each coconut is opened, the naturally stored coconut water is separated for further handling. The collected coconut water is filtered and stored separately, while processing continues on the coconut meat. With the shells opened, the factory can now access the rich coconut meat used to produce coconut milk. Specialized extraction systems separate the coconut meat quickly while minimizing waste. The extracted coconut meat is now ready for additional cleaning before milk extraction begins. This cleaning stage removes any remaining shell particles and prepares the coconut meat for food processing. Reducing the size of the coconut meat improves efficiency during grinding and extraction. Powerful grinding equipment transforms the coconut meat into a fine and uniform paste. The grinding process increases the surface area of the coconut meat, making milk extraction more effective. The coconut paste is transferred into preparation tanks, where extraction conditions are carefully controlled. Controlled amounts of hot water help release more coconut milk from the finely ground coconut paste.
The factory is now ready to perform the most important stage of the entire production process, extracting coconut milk from the prepared coconut mixture.
Powerful hydraulic presses squeeze the prepared coconut mixture, releasing large quantities of rich coconut milk from the coconut meat.
As extraction continues, the liquid coconut milk is separated from the remaining coconut solids to maximize production efficiency.
Large factories operate several extraction lines at once to process huge volumes of coconuts every day.
A second extraction stage helps recover even more coconut milk and reduces valuable product loss. The extracted milk is temporarily collected in holding tanks before purification and refinement begin. Filtration removes unwanted particles and creates a cleaner, smoother coconut milk product. Multiple filtration stages ensure consistent quality and help achieve the desired texture. Fine filtration removes microscopic particles that could affect the appearance or texture of the final product. After filtration, the coconut milk becomes smoother and more uniform throughout the entire batch. Blending systems ensure that each batch maintains consistent quality regardless of production volume.
Advanced monitoring systems help maintain precise control throughout the manufacturing process.
Homogenization improves texture by distributing tiny fat particles evenly throughout the coconut milk.
This process helps create the smooth and creamy consistency consumers expect from coconut milk products.
After homogenization, the coconut milk achieves a more stable structure and improved product consistency.
Before packaging can begin, every batch must undergo strict quality control testing.
Samples are tested for purity, consistency, safety, and compliance with production standards.
Only batches that meet every quality requirement are approved for final processing.
Pasteurization helps eliminate harmful microorganisms while preserving product quality.
Carefully controlled temperatures are essential for producing safe and shelf-stable coconut milk.
After heat treatment, the coconut milk is rapidly cooled and prepared for sterile storage before packaging begins.
After cooling, the coconut milk is stored in sterile tanks, where it remains protected until packaging begins.
Before filling starts, every container must be prepared to ensure maximum cleanliness and product safety.
Specialized sterilization systems remove contaminants and prepare each container for food-grade packaging. Once sterilized, the containers are transferred directly to the filling section without unnecessary handling.
Automated filling systems dispense carefully measured amounts of coconut milk into every package.
Advanced control systems ensure every container receives the exact amount of product required. After filling, the containers immediately move to the sealing stage to protect the product inside. Secure sealing prevents contamination and helps preserve freshness throughout transportation and storage. Every package is inspected to identify sealing defects, damage, or production irregularities. Quality control systems remove any package that fails to meet factory standards. Labels provide important information for consumers while helping identify the product in retail markets.
Traceability codes allow manufacturers to track products throughout the supply chain.
Individual packages are organized into larger cartons for efficient transportation and storage.
Automated palletizing systems prepare thousands of products for shipment every hour.
The completed products are temporarily stored before being sent to domestic and international markets.
Logistics teams coordinate the movement of products to ensure timely deliveries around the world.
Coconut milk products are loaded into transport containers designed for long-distance distribution.
Many coconut milk products are exported overseas to meet growing global demand. International shipping networks allow coconut milk to reach markets far beyond the countries where coconuts are grown.
After completing its factory journey, the coconut milk begins the final stage of its global journey towards stores and consumers worldwide.
After traveling across oceans and international supply networks, the coconut milk finally reaches regional distribution centers.
From these distribution centers, coconut milk is sorted and prepared for shipment to supermarkets, grocery stores, and retail chains.
The next stop is the retail market, where coconut milk becomes available for everyday consumers. After a long journey from tropical plantations and industrial factories, the product finally reaches store shelves.
Consumers can now purchase the finished product and bring it home for a variety of culinary uses.
Once at home, coconut milk becomes an important ingredient in many recipes around the world. One of the most common uses of coconut milk is in savory dishes, where it adds richness, flavor, and a creamy texture.
Coconut milk is also widely used in beverages, smoothies, and healthy drink recipes.
Bakers and dessert makers frequently use coconut milk as a versatile ingredient in sweet recipes.
Products that begin on distant coconut plantations eventually become part of everyday meals enjoyed by families worldwide. Consumers. From tropical trees to modern kitchens, coconut milk travels through a remarkable global journey involving farmers, factories.
Every carton of coconut milk represents an extraordinary journey that begins with a single coconut and ends on tables around the world.